Look at this amazing restaurant flyer, and also look at this birthday flyer, and also look at this stunning flyer also, and this particular birthday flyer, and everything was created using AI, and this is what you're about to learn. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, JohnAb. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to create a stunning flyer using AI. And guess what? You don't even need any skill in graphic design before you be able to do this. And it is absolutely free. All you need to do is to know how to write a well-structured prompt, which I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to structure your prompts to create any type of flyer using AI in minutes. So all I want from you is to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. You know I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, the first thing that you need to do is to head over to ChatGPT. So there are two methods in which you can use to create your flyer using AI. The number one method is kind of more complicated, which is writing a detailed prompt, and the second method, which is very simple. I know a lot of you is going to like that second method, but first let me show you the first method, which is you writing a detailed prompt. And this is how you are going to write your prompt. Now, for example, let me say I want to create a flyer. Let me say I want to create a restaurant flyer, but I don't know how to write the prompt, but I can imagine how I want it to be. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to describe in detail how I want the flyer to look like, okay? Like just the description, the way you picture it, go ahead and describe it in detail. Go ahead and describe it in detail to ChatGPT, and that is what I'm going to be doing right now. Alright guys, so see what I did. You see, I say create a premium modern restaurant flyer like JohnAb food. Okay, this is just a pre-prompt, and this is actually how I pictured the flyer to look like. This is not actually a prompt, bro. This is just my description of how I want the flyer to look like. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take ChatGPT to act as my prompt engineer and help me to optimize this prompt, this my pre-prompt, to get a well detailed prompt. So with that, ChatGPT is going to act as your prompt engineer and help you to optimize your prompt to get a better result. So after you put everything, look at the prompt. I say create a premium modern restaurant flyer like JohnAb food. So that's the name of the brand. Let's blah blah blah. Okay, like that is how I just want it. This is just a description how I want it to be. Okay, it's just a very simple prompt. All right. So and you don't need to worry about this prompt. I'm going to be dropping it on our Telegram channel. If you need it, you can go there to download it. Okay. So what I need to do now is to go ahead and test ChatGPT to act as my prompt engineer and help me to structure this prompt to get a better result. Okay, so with this, ChatGPT is going to act as my prompt engineer and help me to structure my prompt to get a better result, because I'm not a prompt engineer. Now I just have to go ahead and hit OK. Okay, as you can see, so ChatGPT has helped me to optimize my prompt. Look at it. All right, look at the prompt. So this is the prompt that we are going to use to create our flyer. Okay, and for us to create our flyer, we are going to be making use of Wix and also Google Nano Banana Pro, and also we are going to be testing ChatGPT also. We are just going to try anyone that is going to give us a very good result. Okay, so what I need to do now is to go ahead and copy this prompt that ChatGPT gave me. Just copy the prompt. So okay, first of all, let's try it on my Google Nano Banana Pro and see what we are going to get. So I'm going to be accessing my Google Nano Banana Pro using my flow. So I'll search for VEO3, and then I will click VEO3.1, and then I'll click try inflow. Alright guys, so as you can see, here we are on my flow, and as you can see, I have the Google Nano Banana Pro, and the first thing that I need to do is to go ahead and change my aspect ratio. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to see and then I'm going to leave it on portrait. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. All right, paste the prompt and then hit OK. I'm using Gemini Pro plan, and that is why I have access to Google Nano Banana Pro. So if you are interested in getting Google Gemini Pro, I highly recommend you to check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp link. Reach out to me on WhatsApp. Alright, so our flyer has been created. Look at it. Okay, you see. Wow, guys, this is cool. This is nice. Like, it's top notch. This is cool. This is very, very nice. Okay, this is what we want actually. We got it right. Okay, so now let's try this on Wix and see what Wix is going to give us. Search for Wix and then go ahead and hit OK. Enter to. Alright, so here we are on Wix. You don't need to panic. You can have access to Wix for absolutely free. Okay, although my own is showing Pro because I have the Google Gemini Pro. If you have the Google Gemini Pro, you have access to Wix Pro and also Google Nano Banana Pro. Alright, so go ahead and select your aspect ratio. Okay, and then go ahead and paste the prompt and then hit OK. Now let's watch and see what Wix is going to give us. Wow, guys, this is cool. This is nice. Wix do not disappoint at all. Yes, very, very okay. Look at that. Okay, look at it. Wow, guys, this is cool. This is nice. Look at the result. This is what we want, and we got it right. All right, so I just gone to my ChatGPT. I'll just have to go ahead and paste the prompt now, and let's see what ChatGPT is going to give me. All right, so see the result that ChatGPT gave us. Look at that. Wow, let the result. Guys, this is top notch. This is what we want, and we got it right. ChatGPT 2 do not disappoint. Like, this is top notch. Wow. Guys, all right, so now to the second method, which is the fastest and also the simplest way to create your design using AI. For you to do that, what you need to do is to go ahead and click this plus icon. You have to, like, for example, let me say you see a particular design and then you like it. You want to create something exactly like that or something related to that type of design. So what you need to do is to go ahead and bring the design in on your ChatGPT to extract the prompt. Okay, with that you don't have to have any issue with writing your own prompt. All right, so after you extract the prompt, you can go ahead and edit the prompt to get what you want if you want to make any changes. All right, and this is how to go about it. Click this plus icon and then let me say this is the design that you want to create. Okay, this design that we just created, right? Go ahead and bring it in. Let me say this is the design that you want to create. It's something like this. All right, you like this design, you want to recreate it, or you want to create something similar to this type. So what you need to do now is to go ahead and write this prompt. Okay, so see what I type. I say study this restaurant flyer very well and extract the prompt to get the exact restaurant flyer design. Okay, all right, so I want to extract the prompt from this design. Okay, instead of me to crack my brain to write the prompt, I can just go ahead and extract it, then I can edit it to fit what I want. So what I need to do now is to go ahead and hit OK. Okay, as you can see, so ChatGPT gave me this prompt. So now let's go ahead and copy this prompt and test it on Wix and Google Nano Banana Pro if we are going to get this exact result or something similar to this type of result. All right, copy. So now I just copied it. So now I'll head over to my Google Nano Banana Pro. All right, so here we are on my Google Nano Banana Pro. Go ahead and paste the prompt that we just extract from ChatGPT. Okay, go ahead and hit OK. Now let's watch and see what. All right, so Google Nano Banana have helped us to create the design. Look at it. Wow, guys, this is not bad. This is cool. This is nice. You see, we got almost the same thing, right? Look at it. We got almost the same thing. So instead of you to crack your brain, if you see any design, any flyer, you can go ahead and extract the prompt and edit it to fit what you want. Now, for example, let me say if I want to edit it now to fit what I want, maybe the name, the phone number there, or the color, I can go ahead and click this arrow. You see, but I can edit anything here. If I want to change the color, I can go ahead and change it. If I want to change the name, I can go ahead and change it, right? You can go ahead and change it, and also you can tell ChatGPT, and also you can carry this prompt, tell ChatGPT that, oh, you want to make this edit, you want to you want to change it, you want to change the color to this, to that, and then ChatGPT is going to help you to structure it to get a better result. All right, guys, so the next thing that we need to try is a birthday flyer, right? Because all the one that we have been generating, there's no any real human on it. All right, so now let's try a birthday flyer if we are going to get a very good result. Okay, and in this case I'm going to be using the second method, okay, so which is prompt extraction, right? For that, I'm going to be bringing in a particular birthday flyer design. All right, that is, for example, you see a particular birthday flyer and you like it, you want to create something similar to that with your own image. Okay, this is how you are going to do it. All right, so look at this design. Okay, I saw this design online. All right, so I like it, and then I downloaded it and I bring it here. So see what I'm going to type. So I want to create something similar to this type of design. Look at it. So I want to create something similar to this, or exactly. So this is what I'm going to do. All right, so see what I type. I say I want to upload this birthday flyer alongside with my photo on Google Nano Banana to get this type of birthday flyer with that my uploaded photo on it. Help me write a well detailed prompt that I'm going to be having this type of birthday flyer. So what I'm trying to do is that I just need a prompt that I can use that, so that whenever I upload my own image on Google Nano Banana and paste the prompt, I'm going to get this type of result. Okay, so now go ahead and hit OK. Okay, so ChatGPT gave me this prompt. So if I upload my own image and paste this prompt on Google Nano Banana, I'm going to get this type of birthday flyer design. All right, but if you want to change anything, maybe the name, if you look very well, you are going to see celebrating God's grace. Now that is, if you look here, you are going to see celebrating God grace here. Look at the design, it is there. So anything that you want to, any changes that you want to make, you can go ahead and change it here. You see, go ahead and change it. So now let's copy this particular prompt. Okay, so I just copy it. Now I'll head over to my Google Nano Banana Pro now to get this type of birthday flyer design. All right, so here we are on my Google Nano Banana Pro. Okay, so now what I need to do now is to go ahead and bring in my own image. Okay, I'll click this plus icon to bring in my own image. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and click upload. Okay, to bring in my image, but I've already uploaded some images here. Okay, look at some of my images here. But if I want to upload a new image, okay, let's upload a new one so that I show you. If you click upload, you see you can go ahead and upload your own image, right? You see, but I have one image here. So let me say I want to use this particular female. Let me click this image and then go ahead and paste the prompt that you just got from ChatGPT. Go ahead and paste it. All right, so now let's go ahead and make any changes. If you paste the prompt, anything that you want to change, you can change it. All right, let me say happy birthday, everything is there. Let me just change only the name. All right, so when you are satisfied, then go ahead and hit OK. Now let's watch and see the magic from Google Nano Banana Pro. All right, guys, so look at the results. This is the result that Google Nano Banana Pro gave us, guy, and it is amazing. Look at, okay, guy, this is cool, this is nice. Look at that. This is what we want. We got it right. Look at it, guy. This is top notch. This is nice. Look at the second result. Look at this. And then, do you know one good thing I love about it is the fact that Google Nano Banana Pro do not change the lady's face. Okay, unlike ChatGPT that is going to change the face. Look at the face and look at the real picture, right? So now you can actually take any birthday flyer and then add your own image, recreate it, and then you have a result instead of paying a designer to help you to create this type of birthday flyer. So for you to download your image, you can go ahead and click it. You are going to see this drop down arrow. Click it and then your image is going to be downloaded into your gallery successfully. But a quick one, if you are interested in learning everything about AI, if you want to learn how to create any type of realistic AI video using AI, if you want to learn how to create a responsive website using AI, and also a landing page using AI, prompt engineering, how to create any type of design using AI, SEO, and so on and so forth, I highly recommend you to check the description of this video. You are going to locate a link to our academic. Join our academic today. So this is basically how to create any type of flyer using AI. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're watching from YouTube, and don't forget to follow this account if you're watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. I'm Big JohnAb as per usual friend. Hand to hand, salute, bye.